Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel and welcome all my new subscribers. I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for joining our wagon train. Guess what? Clean my van out. I'm super stoked about getting going on my adventures and I couldn't wait. Yesterday I started cleaning the van out. Started doing it pretty late in the day so it got dark, and I thought I'd shoot a little video here this morning to show you the progress I made at cleaning out my van. Let's check it out. So I took the van to the car wash yesterday, of course, got a car wash, and after that I vacuumed out the entire van and washed the entire inside of my van with Norwex rags. I love Norwex. If you haven't ever used that product, they're different rags and products for cleaning. They're awesome. But anyhow, it just needed a good cleaning. So vacuumed, put all the rugs back. So these gray rugs here are utility ones, these big ones. Those are utility rugs that I keep on my floor at all times. It's so tough to keep the black clean, and these guys I can just shake out and just take out of the van and vacuum them off outside if I need to, but they work better at keeping the floor of my van clean. These guys here, these are those little, if you can see the fibers, those little tubey looking fibers, but they're very absorbent, and I keep them at both entrances. When kids get in the car, they can step on these mats, absorbs all moisture and kind of gets gravel out of their shoes, so I like that. And I take them camping with me too, and I use them in both of these spots because I can shake them out real quick. That's why I have throw rugs in my van, so I can shake them out and they'll always stay clean. Anyhow, everything's looking beautiful. I'm super excited to get back on the road. I'm thinking late May, first week in June is when I'll be out and about. I'll be going to the UP on a rock hunt and a van camping adventure, so I'm super excited about that. Let me show you something here. So this is the basics of my van camping stuff. The absolute basics. I keep it in the back of my van all the time. This here is my Coleman cot, and the pad is in there as well. Just keep it tucked away back here. And you've seen this rug in my van. Again, I do use throw rugs, so I can just take them out and shake them and clean them up regularly. My water jug here. My sleeping bag and pillows are in this bag here. And this is my little bug out box. And in here, let's open it up. In here I've got my extra little pool noodle, but I've got a fan if I'm staying somewhere that has electricity, my straps for my mattress, I've got my thermometer, my little flashlights, my diamond light there, and fan if I didn't mention it, just different lights and whatnot, some electronics. But these are just like the basic things I take when I van camp, and I could keep them together in this bin. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to keep this stuff in the van and make it a lot easier so I don't have to bring everything out every time I take off. Behind the bed are my Reflectix for my window. You know I got those from Heat Shield, and they're custom made for this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. And my pool noodles that I use to protect the vinyl siding of my van when I put my cot up. So yeah, these are the basics. Over here, those are just a few extra bags for garbage or for my portable little toilets, my collapsible toilet I bring, and this is my spray cleaning bottle. I have another flashlight here. But yeah, this stuff stays in here all the time. Just makes my life a lot easier. I'll put that back together in a minute. So that is that. I am getting ready to go. My van's all clean. It makes me feel good to get in a clean van, and that's the way I like it. Clutter-free is the way to be when you're a van camper. And remember, less is more. Only bring what you need, not what you think you're going to need, because that's where the clutter begins. So anyhow, you guys, I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. It's beautiful here in Michigan. It's going to be, I think, 60 or something, like maybe even 65. I don't even know, but it's gorgeous out right now. Hope it's beautiful where you're at, and if not, you make it beautiful. Make it a beautiful day. All right, you guys, you have a fabulous day. I will catch you later. Until next time.